In this video, we will be exploring Sellercloud's powerful global search feature. As an e-commerce seller, you know that time is always of the essence. You must find the information you need as quickly as possible. That's where global search comes in. It allows you to search for anything you need and show data from all of your companies in one place. So, let's get started. First, it's essential to note that global search works best when you have specific information to search for, such as SKU, order number, purchase order number, and so on. But even if you don't have that information, the search will still bring up partial match results in real time as you type. This means you don't always have to go for an exact match query, making the search process even faster. Additionally, when your search query is related to specific Sellercloud pages, the search will show links to these pages above the standard results. This makes it easy for you to navigate directly to the page you need without having to go through several pages to find it. The global search feature also allows you to search for entities from up to 4 categories simultaneously. You can enable or disable these categories by typing in the search bar and clicking the gear icon that appears on the right. From there, you can select or deselect the checkboxes to enable or disable up to 4 categories. By selecting only the categories that you need, you can reduce the clutter in your search results and find what you need even faster.